Anastasia, and today we are gonna upcycle this 80s dress. If you haven't seen my video on my thrifted haul, go check it out because all the clothes in my thrifted haul video, I'm transforming and upcycling in separate videos. And this is one of them, this 80s dress. And if you haven't checked out my new Patreon page, jump on over, check it out. The link's down below. I just started having a t-shirt of the month, a tote bag of the month, and a vintage pattern of the month. And there's also a lot of other ways that you can contribute to keep Sew Anastasia growing. So there's certain things I love about this dress and things that I really don't like about this dress. So I love the sleeves, I love the bows, I love all of these details. Statement sleeves are so in right now, so I'm going to keep these sleeves. I actually really like the neckline. The bodice on this fits me really well, but what I have an issue with is the hem. So the hem just feels really marmy, it feels too heavy, feels like I am going to a formal in the 80s, which I don't want. I'd love to be able to wear this outfit with a pair of sandals, wear it casually, maybe going out to dinner, grabbing some coffee, but just feeling good in a cute little dress. So what I'm going to do is turn this into a high-low hem. So this hem in the front, I'm gonna end up raising it all the way up to here, but we're gonna leave the drama of the hem in the back. So I'm gonna show you how to take a dress and make it have a high-low hem. Supplies for this project are super simple. You're going to need your pins, you're going to need your scissors, you're also going to need matching thread for your project, and most importantly right now is going to be your chalk. The first thing you're going to need to do is turn your dress inside out and fold it in half. One of the most important things is making sure that your dress is folded on center front, on your bodice and on your skirt. You really want to make sure that this is the center front because when we go and we cut and make our high-low, we want the swoop to be symmetrical on both sides. Now grab your pins and we're going to pin together the skirt and the bodice so the dress does not move. We want all those layers to stay together so that way our dress hem turns out even. So start at the top here and work your way down. Now I want you to make sure you're going through all layers and make sure all the layers are even. Notice my lace layers are even, my lining layers are even from the front to the back. So that way when we cut through this, we're going to end up with an even hem. Next, what we need to do is determine how short you want your high-low in the front. When you measure yourself to find out how long you would like the front of your high-low skirt, measure from your waist down. I'm gonna do mine 16 inches because I'm short, so I like things short. So I've measured down from the waist 16 inches and I've put a double pin here. So this is going to be the shortest point of my high-low skirt, which is going to be my center front. So how are we going to get a gradual slope in our high-low hem? What I'm going to do is measure down 3 inches extra on the hem from my side seam. So if my front was 16, my side seam is going to be 19. So I put my measuring tape at the waist point on my side seam of the dress. This dress has a dropped waist, so my waistline is actually up a little higher. And now I'm gonna measure down 19 inches from the side seam. And I put a pin right here. Now you're gonna wanna grab a ruler. I'm going to be using a yardstick because the hem on this is pretty big and this is gonna help a lot. Grab your chalk because we are going to connect the pins. So we're gonna go from the first to the second pin, and then the second pin to the center back. So I'm gonna mark from my first pin, and I'm going all the way over to my second pin. So now you can see I have a pink line of chalk going from center front all the way over to my side seam. Next, you're gonna have to decide where you want your center back point to be. So do you want it to be very pointed in the back? Do you want a full sweep in the back? What do you want it to look like? I'm gonna do a bit of a full sweep in the back, so my ruler mark is not gonna go all the way directly to center back. So I'm gonna line my measuring tape up with center back here, and I'm gonna go all the way over to 21. This is about a quarter of the sweep of my hem. Now this is the point that I'm going to match up with my side seam with my ruler. Now there's the pin at my side seam, and I'm gonna go all the way down to my center back mark that I put on here. Okay, now you'll notice the line that I've created from center front all the way down to the back sweep. And this chunk of fabric here is gonna be the one that we end up cutting off. Now you're gonna need to grab a curved ruler. What are we gonna do with this? Well, what we're gonna do with this is even out the point that we've created with the straight line across our fabric. Now I'm lining up the curved part of my ruler with a point on my pink chalk line. And this is gonna blend our hem nice and smooth into the lining here. Now, if you don't have a curved ruler, you can totally eyeball this. So now you can see that our hem is gonna come down and it's gonna curve nicely into the back sweep. Now grab your scissors and we're gonna cut on our chalk line. So now we have our hem that is short in the front and it sweeps all the way to the back, being full length. We are gonna have a lovely sweep on this hem of a high-low. Next, we're gonna roll hem both layers separately. I'm gonna do a 1/4 inch rolled hem. I've selected my straight stitch and I have moved my needle position over to the left. My lining layer is all hemmed. Now it's time to do the lace layer. I'm gonna give this a rolled hem as well. If your dress or skirt only had 1 layer, you might be done right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and hem my second layer. We finished the hem. Now we have a beautiful high-low hem. We've taken this dress from 80s drab to a modern beauty. Notice how beautiful our hem looks. You can really see the short to the long. I went with something really dramatic because I love drama in fashion. Now let's try it on and see how it looks. I did it. I transformed the dress. We upcycled it into something modern. I'm loving how this hem looks. The high-low makes me feel so much better. I don't just feel like I'm wearing an old 80s dress anymore. I feel like I'm wearing something straight off the runway. You know what's really cool? I paid $2 for this dress, upcycled it, changed the hem, and now I feel awesome in it. That's the coolest part about upcycling, is taking something that you didn't really like, but maybe you kind of liked it, but it needed some work. And since you know how to sew, you can go ahead and reinvent these pieces of clothing, save them, and give them life again. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, leave it down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel for all the notifications of new videos. If you're in Chicago, take a sewing class with me, or I would love to make you a custom garment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Sew Anastasia and Anastasia Chatzka, and TikTok. Did you know I started a TikTok where I do super mini 45-second long tutorials? Check it out. And hop on over to Patreon and keep supporting Sew Anastasia so we can keep bringing you these amazing videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.